In this video we are going to learn the pair plot here. Okay, so what is pair plot? With an example also we'll see what is pair plot also. A pair plot represent a pair-based relationship in a data set. Okay, for example, in a data set there are 4 columns, then pair plot shows relationship of every column with all other columns. As a result, we can have 4 into 4 16 plots. Okay, so to create pair plots we can use pair plot function. So in earlier plots we have compared only two columns or 3 columns in a data set, but here if we want to compare all columns in a one graph, we have to use this pair plot. Simple. If you want to compare all columns in a data set in a one graph, we have to use this pair plot. Okay, pair plot function. And to use this pair plot, we have to use pair plot function available in the Seaborn Python library. Okay, so with simple program we will see how we draw pair plot. So write a Python program to display pair plots using iris flower dataset. This iris flower dataset available in the Seaborn library. We have to import that. We have to import the library also. Simple. Just import the Seaborn library and import the iris. It returns iris data frame, right? And also one thing noted, iris dataset has this species column. It contains textual data. So pair plot applies only for the numerical values. Okay, pair plot apply only for the numerical values. It won't apply for the textual values here. Species here, 3 different species available: Setosa, versicolor and virginica. So 3 different set of species having different type of length flowers here, length, width, length, width. Okay, so we have to draw. We have to compare relationship with all numerical columns only. Textual column won't, pair plot won't apply for the textual columns. So for that we have to use the pair plot function available in the Seaborn. Pair plot, simple, data is equal to iris. Okay, data means this data set we are using. Okay, observe here plots. Just a minute. Yeah, observe here. Observe there are 16 4 columns are there. 4 into 4 16 graph in a one graph. Each column sepal length, sepal width, petal length. Okay, each column compared with all other columns. Okay, and if you want to, because each data point here, so there are 3 different species are there, so each species has different data points here. If you want to know which species, if you want to know the data points which species we have to use hue is equal to species. If you want to know which species belongs to which data points, there are different data points. Okay, so all data points included only in 3 species only. So if you want to know which species has, you have to use hue equals species. Observe here plots. See, observe. So this Setosa, versicolor, virginica. This blue color is Setosa, orange is versicolor, and green color is virginica here. Okay, observe here. And if you want to give another color, just use a palette. Okay, palette attribute. Okay, you can give brown, blue, green, brown, blue, green, BRBG. Just observe. See, like this. And if you want to give different shapes, use markers attribute. Markers is equal to give some circle, diamond, D for diamond, give some square shapes. Simple, execute it. See, observe some circle, some diamond, and square shapes here. So like that, if you want to give different colors, right? So that's about the pair plot. If you want to compare all columns relationship, you have to use this pair plot in one graph. Okay, simple. If you want to compare all column relationships, what kind of relationship is there between all columns, you have to draw this pair plot function. So pair plot available in the Seaborn library. So we can use pair plot function. See, pair plot function in Seaborn library if you want to draw the pair plot. Okay, so that's about the pair plot here. See, observe this kind of graph we will get it for 4 columns. It gives 16 plots here. Okay, in single graph, and pair plot applies only for the numerical columns only. Okay, sepal length, sepal width, sepal length, sepal width here. Okay, simple to know all. Okay, if you want to draw one graph in a one graph, all comparisons, just use this pair plot function. Okay, so that's about the last one, pair plot. So we have seen all plots here. Just practice, okay, with examples one more time. Pair plot, right? So the C1 has these different plots we have seen earlier: distribution plot, count, box plot, all plots we have seen. Pair plot, last one we have seen now. So that's about the C1 libraries. There are so many attributes are there, but just for the basic knowledge, just follow this video. Okay, thank you.